Today, we're unboxing the ThinkCheck M70. Here you can see the device in its molded holder inside the box. It also comes with a USB-C charging cable, USB-A on this end, and USB-C on this end. Also included is this quick start guide in English and Spanish. This will demonstrate initial setup for the M70. To start up the device, you'll need to plug the cable into the OBD2 port of your vehicle and have the vehicle set to run with the engine off. You'll need to connect the M70 to a Wi-Fi network. You can choose your Wi-Fi from the list of available networks. Select your network and enter your Wi-Fi password. You will be presented with a notification to update the system. Click OK to proceed. On the update screen, click on OTA to bring up the newest update. Then click the up arrow to update and verify the current version. Once the system is updated, click the back arrow and the back arrow again to take you to the home screen. If presented with the option to select your maintenance resets, click on Obtain. Select which resets you would like to unlock, then click Free Obtain. You'll receive a confirmation of your choices, warning you that this selection can't be changed. If satisfied with your selection, click OK. When you've returned to the home screen, click on Update. This will show a list of updatable software. Download the ones you want from the list or click Update to install them all. Keep in mind that installing all updates will take some time. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more helpful videos on Thinkcar tools.